Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Social Security and Medicare. To begin, understanding the eligibility for Social Security is key. You can apply for benefits online, over the phone, or by visiting a local Social Security office. Make sure to have important documents ready, such as your birth certificate and W-2 forms. The online application process is quite efficient, often taking around 15 minutes to complete from start to finish. Understanding Medicare enrollment periods is crucial to avoid penalties. The initial enrollment period is a 7-month window surrounding your 65th birthday. It begins 3 months before your birth month, includes your birth month, and extends 3 months after. If you miss this window, you might face higher premiums for Medicare Part B. There's also a general enrollment period each year, from January 1st through March 31st, for those who missed their initial chance. For many, Medicare enrollment is automatic, especially if you're already receiving Social Security benefits. You'll typically get your Medicare card in the mail. If you're not automatically enrolled, you can easily apply online via the Social Security Administration's website. Alternatively, you can call their toll-free number or visit a local office for assistance. Remember, Medicare Part A is generally premium-free for most people who have paid Medicare taxes for at least 10 years. When considering Medicare, it's important to enroll in Part B even if you have employer-sponsored health coverage, depending on your situation. Delaying Part B enrollment without qualifying circumstances can result in permanent premium penalties. Always review your annual Social Security statement to ensure your earnings record is accurate, as this impacts your future benefits. For any specific questions or unique circumstances, contacting the Social Security Administration directly is always the best course of action for personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.